G'day everyone and welcome to my video today. Well, I'm going to be using my Dylusions stamp set and everything Dylusions today. So I want to use a couple of stamp sets here, but I'm going to use the cat head here. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to fussy cut the cat's head out because I'm going to use a different body for the cat here. So just making a mask. This is just a post-it note and this will help me mask off the section that I'm going to stamp in my book. I've got to tell you, I love the delusional stamps. I am just so hooked. So this stamp set I just recently got not very long ago. I'm stamping it out on some photocopy paper and I'm just going to fussy cut this out because I'm going to use this as a mask. Now, why do you say are you stamping on photocopy paper? Won't it move? I'm going to actually use some repositional tape, so that will help me just keep this in place. So I'm working in my Dylusions Art Journal page today, and what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to stamp out the cat's head, and all I want is the cat's head, so I don't want to stamp anything else. So I've got some scrap paper here just to help me not get any ink on anywhere that I don't want it to be. So all done, and I'll just stamp that in place. And as you can see, a perfect head. So I'm going to do the body of this because I really do love this stamp set with the body suitcases. So I'll just stamp that in, and as you can see there's a little bit of his neck that's missing, and I'll just get a black pen and just pen that in. So now I've got all the masks over where I have stamped. So I'm just going to use this stamp here just for the base of my little person here, or my little cat. So I'll mask that off as well because I'm going to use some Dylusions paint to paint in the background. So just applying all the masks so they're all in place. Now I've got some Dylusion paint here. All the products and colours that I'm using will be over on my website, so be sure to check that list out if you're wanting to know what colours that I used. Now my mask's all in place and I'm actually just blending it with the blending foam tool here. Just random greens. Just trying to smooth out those colours as well so they blend well together. I'm not too bothered about the background because I will be using some stencils in the background as well, and you probably won't notice the bad blending. So I've got some, I think this is pomegranate seed, I think, I'm not sure, but I've just got a stencil here and just going all over with the paint and the blending tool. So as you can see, all good. Now the reveal. There is my person. So I really do love doing masking techniques like this. It's so much fun. Now with my white areas here, I do have some watercolor pencils which I am actually going to use. I think I got these from Simon Says Stamp in a card kit a few months ago, so just using these today, and I'm just going to blend these together using a water brush that I've got, and this will create some shadows. So you can add more watercolor pencil after you blend to create shadows. Now I've got some gel pens here and I haven't used them for ages, and I've got a metallic silver which I'm just going to go through and just add some silver bits to the locks and that on the body of my cat. I'm also going to go around and add some silver around the background stencil here just to make these pop a little bit more. I didn't want to use black and I didn't want to use white, but I thought I'm just going to use some silver. I've also got a metallic green gel pen as well, and I thought it'd be really fun just to add some doodle circles all over the background as well. So I've added a sentiment stamp as well. It's a Dylusions sentiment one, and that's my page finished for today. So I hope you have enjoyed this art journal page today. If you have, please give me your thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for up and coming videos. Until next time everybody, happy crafting. See ya!